Hello everybody, it's Jamie. So today's video, we are going to see where this $30 is going into which debt envelope. Sorry for the glare, guys. I've been trying to work around with some of this, and I'm going to count this to make sure there is $30 in here. I finished that one, and it should be 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And if y'all didn't see yesterday's video, go back and watch it and you'll understand the whole process. I explained it to how I'm going to try to get some of this debt paid off by making it fun and easy with small amounts, because guys, in this economy, there ain't nobody doing too good right now. So here we go. Let's start and see where this is going. 5, 4, 6, 2. I figured if I try to make it fun, I would stick with it, and taking smaller challenges and putting it into another challenge will keep me motivated into getting this done. So hopefully everything works out and I can add a little bit of extra money to an extra payment on my debt. This is something I've been talking to myself about, praying about, trying to figure out, because life on a low income, especially a fixed income, is hard on a lot of people. So if you could just save $1 at a time, and I mean, you don't have to have pretty envelopes like this. I just created these little dashboards with Canva. But you can just go to the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store or wherever and just get you some simple little envelopes and write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L on them. And I don't know if I've done that one, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, another 2. And just use simple envelopes. I don't know if you've seen that, but it's a 3. Simple little envelopes. Envelopes for anything. Just, you can get them for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Well, I don't know now. It's not the Dollar Tree anymore. It's $1 plus. They need to change that. That was another 4. They need to change it. And another 4. A 3. So, you know, you don't have to have a lot of money into saving anything that you want. A little bit goes a long way, as they say. So, over here, I'm going to just pull my little notebook out that's got where it's going. So we added 1, 2, 3 to PayPal. So I'm just going to write 3 here. And the balance is 3 because we just started this. I don't need that envelope. I'll just put it over there. And like I said in my other video, once I get $50, I will take that money, log in, put the money in the bank, log into whatever the $50 is going towards, and make an extra payment. So medical bills has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lord knows I'm about to get swamped in medical bills. And a lot of people are probably going to say, well, why don't you just save that $50 and just take it and put it on one bill instead of dividing it out? It's not fun that way for me. I mean, you know, it would probably be simple and easy to do it that way, but I wanted to make it fun so I could stay motivated into saving these $1 bills. So Lowe's is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With me, I have to have something that's fun, something that keeps my attention, something that is easy and not overstressing, because once I get stressed, it's over with. I'm just like, I'm done. It stressed me out too bad. I can't do this. Personal loans get 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I have to stop and think about things. You see my video before this one, you'll understand. I do talk to myself a lot. I do go back and forth. I do pray a lot. I do ask the Lord for guidance and forgiveness and to help me make the right decisions on what I'm going to do. Mortgages get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you can make it fun and simple and easy, you tend to stay with it longer. And that is what I'm hoping to achieve with doing this. Car is going to get 1, 2, 3, 4. And hopefully by doing this, it is going to help me get out of debt. And that is something that I'm trying to do. So guys, thank you for hanging around with this edition of this little savings challenge that I'm doing. And please like, comment, share, subscribe if you've not subscribed. And I will catch you all in the next video. And guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye guys.